Hey there, traders. We're about to take a look at another exceptionally wonderful trade. That's this trade here on the CADCHF. So we're looking at this aspect of it here. What I'm going to do is go over this trade with you, what made me take it, etc. Clearly, we can see we're on an uptrend. Actually, you can see there's a little channel here. Per the book, instructions have been detailed in a book that I've written. And as you read the book, you'll see that the trade followed the strategy. And as a result, we made money. So take a look. Here's the blank chart. Take a look at the chart. What I'm going to do is put the lipstick on the chart, as it were, and explain the trade. Okay, guys. And here we have the trade as it has played out. The trend line, we have the entry, the stop loss, we have the profit target, 1 and 2. A beautiful trade. Trend line we drew on the hour chart, we dropped to the 15-minute chart. Interestingly, in our trade group, we've been talking about order blocks. So I've taken this with the order block in view, some that we have been talking about. Here's this line here represents an order block from the past, okay? And what we see here is that price dipped into the order block and came out. Now, the order block is the strategy from ICT, the inner circle trader. Now, the way he explains it, he'll draw his fib and then he'd come up with the optimal trade entry. I don't fully understand it. I have looked into this trade. I have tried back testing it, but his optimal trade entry would come here. And so you'd have missed this trade, but then he'll draw a line here and then he'll say this was the optimal trade entry. So I'm just, what makes him draw his line from where? I don't know, but I know my strategy. I said it in the room the other day that what you do, if you learn one thing from different educators, and if you apply it to your strategy, okay, see how it fits in with your strategy. As I've done here, it dipped into the order block. It came out of the order block. It dipped in here. It came out here, right? Here's my strategy, the trend line break. It broke the trend line. Here's my entry, take profit 1, take profit 2, stop losses down here. That's my strategy. That's something I completely understand. The fibs are put on, we get our entry. When you read the book, you'll see that this is just per strategy. It's purely per strategy. Could I have traded this better? Yes, I could. I was trading other pairs at the time. My entry was here, my exit was here. I only had one trade and it was about 60 or so pips that I actually made in this trade. 62, 63 pips was it, but nonetheless it was another successful trade. I'm happy with it. Money has been put into my account. This is my go-to strategy. If I'm building account, rebuilding account, as I'm doing now, I will use this strategy over and over and over and over again, and the more I do it, the better I get at it. Take less risks. I'll use the stop loss. You'll lose a trade here, you lose a trade there. But each day you'll be adding to your account, which is important when you're trying to build an account. This strategy is a beautiful thing. I can just show you real quick that, remember I said I got in here and exit here, but look, it's gone up way beyond, right? But what's going to happen? Well, if we go back in time, look, here's, right, there you go. Here's a trade that would have been taken, okay, right? Broke the trend line, pull back entry, slap the fib on. You could put the fib here, you could put the fib here, but I would have put it there. Okay. Now where are we going? We're going up to the 200. It went to the 200, just same as where we are right now. Look, it went beyond it. But what then happened? Oh Lord, look at it. Doesn't it repeat itself? And then it's going to come down here. Okay. Look. You know, as if we just went through this, right? It's gone beyond where my order took profit, right? Hey, Wavy, oh, sad, I lost this money. But then what does it do? What goes up must come, it comes right down. This strategy repeats itself over and over and over and over again. Just exactly what I said in the book. I've been doing it for the past 5 years with great effect. Here's the strategy taken. So it's going to go up. It's going to come back down. And of course, we'll be in that trade. We expect this trade to go back to that line, and then we'll be looking to short it. So this is just another trade. We're going to give a series of trades taken from our book, per the strategy, per the rules. Hope it builds confidence in your trading ability as you try to apply this strategy. But I'm not trying to, cause you to use this strategy solely. If there's something you learn with this strategy that you can apply to what you see in the market, because we all look at the market different, use it. It's going to help you to become a better trader. And that's optimally what we want to do together. So thank you for watching. Do appreciate your time. And I hope you find some benefit in what we've put forward here. All righty, guys. Till the next time, thank you much. Bye-bye.